What the hell? What the hell?
Please kill me here. Please tell me you can kill me, man. You're strong enough, right? Nice, nice, nice. Good, 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 good. That's what I like about you, my friend. At least let me kill that set, though. You know, I mean, thank you.
Nice.
Let me kill that too. Let me kill that too. Let me kill that too. Thank you. What? Wait, what? 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 Then you're so stupid.
Tatanggapin kita.
Gusto kong mag-raise the stake dito ah.
Sinta.
Song.
Okay ka nang umibig sa'yo. Ako'y maghihimlay sa'yo pagdating at tatanggapin kita. Sinta.
Damn, what is this voice? Holy, it's annoying.
Yeah.
Do I raise the stake?
Galing nga, manonood po na.
Oh, mag-raise the stake. Rank game nga pala to no, on my main account. Damn. Okay, hold on. Firing exit tab. Have my sword.
Oh, I was about to pivot, but nah. He showed up, huh? He freaking showed up.
Raise the stake. And hindi mo naka-raise the stake na ako. Please. Please, do not win. I'm gonna be sad kapag nanalo ako. Okay. 50 betted already. Pero parang wala naman ako matatalo. I'm not gonna lie. So, this is very good. Ooh! Kanimo with the headline. Oh, he wins. Naka-counter
I just got it.
Does he have 7
I was
already?
I was about to pivot, man. Like actually pivot. Oh, that trash hook is so good. I lost this right now.
Yeah, counter 7.
Yeah. Sinusugod daw ng mga kabayo niya. Ah, damn. Crazy.
No! No, don't win.
I need something. What else am I looking?
No, don't tell me I'm gonna win. No! Nanalo agad ako!
An echo?
Ko lang.
Yeah. Echo. Yeah, just echo. I'm just echo and yeah.
So I just raised the stake and I won. Nah,
Nice race.
I didn't raise any stakes. That's very sad.
It's just sad na wala akong Gragas for like
Like 2 years.
for a long time. I need Lasty to die though. Killable ba yung Lasty sa'yo, pre?
Nope. That is a
I
2
see.
damage. Oh, okay.
Nope.
Almost.
It's it's a big true damage. Where did I get the spatulas? God dang. Like actually where though?
Damn.
Oh my god.
Makuha pa nung last yan, oh. Ayan.
Hindi. I need that sentinel blitz. I get that. Going for me. Yep.
Oh, he got it.
I
The last piece he needed.
I just need, what do you call this? Upgrades and echo. Yeah, that's all. Yep, that's all I need. Maganda bang steadfast sa kanya?
Sino?
Kay Blitzcrank? Or na?
Steadfast is the best tank, bro, item. Kahit
Tas
kanino.
protect.
Steadfast coated.
Right.
Oh, wala ba ako na si Akua? I have 0% chance of killing him. Damn. 0% chance of killing anybody. Then I won the one fight I'm supposed to use.
Nakikita ko na nga damage ng TF. It does. Does do damage.
Who yun? What am I gonna use that for? Hindi pa kaya akong mag-raise the stake? Raise the stake again, one more time. That will take.
Ang poor Duster na. Needs pigs.
Ano kumash out?
The thing is, do I Ginsu TF or
Oh.
Sona?
Sona.
Yep, that's the thing. Damn, this balance budget is giving me something else. Crazy. I go 9 here, right? Do I not go 9 here? Of course. Sumobraw ng 4 gold. Kakatalo ko yun. No bows. Damn. No Ginsu for me then. Done.
Oh my goodness, nakakuha rin ako ng Twisted Fate na ano.
Why do you need Twisted Fate? Hello?
Said.
Oh. Sorry no. Gugalit.
Said. Favorite said. X.
So should I grip for Carousel and find Ginsu or just put Guard Breaker?
On what?
TF. Shield. Yep, 2-man shield. Then just Sona. Lahat tayo healthy ngayon palang may namatay. Oh boy, you're cooking something, huh? That said is cooking.
I'm gonna cook in time though.
Top 4 possible. Mapapatay ko yung iba. Lasty, yeah, beatable si Lasty. Oh damn, the Spellweaver KDA is... Oh, Sharkbait, yeah, siyang kalaban ko. Or the Country 7, huh? Country 7 ang kalaban ko. Oh no. Oh boy. So doon ako matatalo sa trash niya. Sa ganda ng hook. I see. Maganda yung hook lagi ng trash. Dikit-dikit eh. Ganun yun, no? Tama ba?
Thank you, Secret Form.
Okay, spoke too soon. Mating cook.
Okay, I'm dying. Hold up. Oh, Sid, one more Sid. I just need one more Sid.
Yung country. Oh my god, wait, ba't mo kayo Spellweaver, man?
Parehas na
Ba't
nakakuha
ikaw
ng
yung
country.
Spellweaver?
Yung dalawang country player nakakuha ng country. Oh my goodness. I need the Sid, bro. Not the Spellweaver. I need the Sid. The Sid I need.
May tanong ako. Umatake ba ng static shield si Sona?
Oh, okay.
It's a no, right?
Got it.
Done.
Static shield, ito na?
Yeah.
No idea. Oh, yeah. Gumagana.
Kahit attack speed, Sona.
Yeah. Shred din yun kanina.
Yeah.
Am I gonna win now? Or what? Or said 3 is not enough still? Going on. Okay. Holy. Okay.
I repeat, nakapasok yung Akali sa akin. Interesting. Di ba contested ang Caitlyn? Ba't parang ang dami yung nakikita ng Caitlyn? Natalo na ba yun?
No idea. Si Lasty ito. Buhay pa din.
Namatay ako sa ADM mo. Ow. Yup, winnable mo to, pre. But we need to kill someone. Help me kill someone for top 4, buddy.
You're gonna do it. I'm gonna kill someone. Right? I don't know.
I hope you do.
akin yun. Basta ko intact.
Namatay ako sa true damage niya. Nawala agad yung ano ko pre, disco ko.
You good, homie? Oh,
I'm
yeah,
not.
that's right. That's Ezreal. That's the main counter to you.
May namatay. I just need to survive one and top 4 I think. Yeah.
Ay, talaga ibigay. Patay natin si Lasty this turn. Oh no, hindi si Lasty. Oh, si Lasty. Okay. Patay ito, pre. Boom. Bye-bye. Blink ka.
I won.
You
Oh
are-
my god. We're busting it, huh? But the thing is, I have nothing anymore. Yeah, I have nothing anymore. That's it. Got nothing.
Oh, you cropped the comeback of a lifetime, you know?
That's a good said right there, man. Actually, good said. Hindi ko rin mababol, oh. Ganda ng QSS mo dun. Wait.
Oh my
Nah,
goodness.
the crowd diver.
Is it
The crowd diver leaves!
Oh, you're second!
Oh, second place ako. Nice! Napababa mo siya mas lalo.